Welcome back. This is round one action in TVJ Jnr Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Foundation Prep on 6 and Hanover Prep on 2. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Janae Smith of Foundation Prep up against Roger Campbell of Hanover Prep. Janae, we begin with you. What's the simple interest on $1,200 at a rate of 4% per annum for 2 years?
$176.
That's incorrect. Roger, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's $96. Janae, what is 11 and 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 3?
$35.
That's right. What's the volume of a rectangular object with length 11 meters, width 12 meters, and height 0.5 meters? Time's up. Roger, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 66 meters cubed. Janae, what's the difference between 38.9 and 19.76?
$19.14.
That's right. A student worked 8 hours a day for 5 days in the week. If he's paid $25 per hour, what's his weekly pay? Question passes. Roger, want to try?
Yes, thank you. $1,400.
That's incorrect. It's $1,000. Roger, we're now over to you. What's the simple interest on $900 at a rate of 6% per annum for 2 years? Question passes. Janae, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's $108. Roger, what is 12 and 1 over 5 divided by 1 over 5? Question passes. Janae, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 61. Roger, what's the volume of a rectangular object with a length 0.75 meters, width 9 meters, and height 8 meters? Question passes. Janae, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 54 meters cubed. Roger, what's the difference between 40.2 and 17.34? Question passes. Janae, want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss.
Go ahead.
22.86.
That's correct. Roger, a man worked for 11 hours per day for 4 days in the week. If he's paid for a 4-day week at $12 per hour, what is his weekly pay? Question passes. Janae, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's $528. And that takes us now into our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Javon DePass of Foundation Prep, who is up against Sarah Carr of Hanover Prep. So, Javon, what's the name for the force exerted by air on any surface? Question passes. Sarah, maybe you want to try?
No, thank you.
It's air pressure. Javon, what type of sedimentary rock is made up of small grains of sand cemented together by minerals? Sarah, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
sandstone. Javon, in a flowering plant's life cycle, what stage comes after pollination? Sarah, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you.
fertilization. Javon, arrange this food chain in the correct order, starting with the producer. Man, grass, maggot, cow.
Grass, maggot, cow, man.
That's incorrect. Sarah, want to try?
Thank you, Miss. Grass, cow, maggot, human.
That's also incorrect. It's grass, cow, man, maggot. Javon, the liver breaks down poisonous substances and then sends it to which organ? Question passes. Sarah, want to try?
Oh, thank you.
It's the kidney. Sarah, we're now over to you. Atmospheric pressure is an important factor in producing changes in weather. What effect does height have on atmospheric pressure? Question passes. Javon, want to try?
No, thank you.
It decreases. Sarah, what type of sedimentary rock is made up of clay particles pressed together? Javon, want to try?
No, thank you.
Shale. Sarah, in a flowering plant's life cycle, what stage comes after seed dispersal? Javon, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's germination. Sarah, arrange this food chain in the correct order, starting with the producer. Birds, leaves, snakes, caterpillar.
Leaves, caterpillar, snake, bird.
That's incorrect. Javon, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's leaves, caterpillars, birds, snakes. Sarah, what's the name of the tube through which urine flows from the kidney to the bladder? Question passes. Javon, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the urethra. That takes us now to our next face-off in the category of English language. It's between Shaquana Wesley of Foundation Prep, who is up against Malika Gordon of Hanover Prep. Shaquana, spell conjunction.
CONJUNCTION.
That's correct. Complete the proverb. Good wine needs...
No bush.
That's right. In the correct order, spell the homonyms, which mean to have more than what is needed and a long, sharp-pointed instrument. Question passes. Malika, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's spare, S-P-A-R-E and S-P-E-A-R. Shaquana, what's the specific tense used in this sentence? I have worked for that company in the past.
Past perfect tense.
That's incorrect. Malika, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the present perfect tense. Shaquana, which part of speech is the word after as used in this sentence? They left after the game ended.
Conjunction.
That is correct. Malika, we're now over to you. Spell punctuation. Question passes. Shaquana, want to try?
Yes, thank you.
Go ahead.
PUNCTUATION.
That is correct. Malika, complete the proverb. Every ass loves to hear. Question passes. Shaquana, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's hear himself bray. Malika, in the correct order, spell the homonyms, which mean a floating marker at sea and a young male. Shaquana, want to try?
Yes, thank you. BUOY and BOY.
That is correct. Malika, what's the specific tense used in this sentence? I will be working for that company next year.
Present continuous tense.
That's incorrect. Shaquana, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Future continuous tense.
That is correct. Malika, which part of speech is the word after as used in this sentence? The thunder came soon after the lightning.
Suffix.
That's incorrect. Shaquana, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's an adverb. And now we're going into our final face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Javon Green of Foundation Prep. Javon is up against Dianca Bennett of Hanover Prep. Javon, which Jamaican town did Christopher Columbus name Santa Gloria?
Discovery Bay.
That's incorrect. Dianca, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's St. Anne's Bay. Javon, which parishes are to the east and west of Manchester in Jamaica?
Clarendon and St. Elizabeth.
That is correct. In Jamaica, is guzu a spell, a type of pastry, or a fruit? Question passes. Dianca, want to try?
Yes, miss. A pastry.
That's incorrect. It's a spell. Javon, which instrument did Jamaican national hero Nanny use to communicate with her fighting soldiers?
Drum.
That's incorrect. Dianca, want to try?
No, thank
It's
you,
an
miss.
abeng. Javon, which Jamaican national hero said, I would rather die upon yonder gallows than live in slavery?
Samuel Sharp.
That's correct. Dianca, over to you. Which Jamaican town did Christopher Columbus name Porto Bueno? Question passes. Javon, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Discovery Bay. Dianca, which parishes are to the east and west of St. Mary in Jamaica? Question passes. Javon, want to try?
Yes, thank you. St. Anne and Portland.
That is correct. In Jamaica, Dianca, in Jamaica, is stinking toe a fruit, a type of socks, or a vegetable? Question passes. Javon, want to try?
Yes, thank you. A type of socks.
That's incorrect. It's a fruit. Dianca, what did the Jamaican Maroons use to make their bang?
A drum.
That's incorrect. Javon, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's a cow's horn. Dianca, which Jamaican national hero was known for the statement, one God, one aim, one destiny? Time's up. Javon, want to try?
No, thank you.
The correct answer is Marcus Garvey. And that's the end of the final face-off. The scores are Foundation Prep on 17 and Hanover Prep on -2. Stay tuned. The final challenge is up next. Stay with us.